everybody, welcome to T&W Electronics. Today I'm going to be tearing apart this Acer C710 Chromebook. I'm going to be using it probably for a different project. This is the 2847 version. I'm thinking I'm going to make like a desktop kind of thing, a desktop Chromebook, so kind of like a Chromebox except like regular desktop PC size. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I think I will. It should be pretty interesting. So if you guys would like to see that, go subscribe down below and get that notification when that video comes out. So now we got to get down to tear down, but before that, got a quick message from the sponsor of this video. So the sponsor of today's video is Brian Stark. He is a seller Mercari. I've actually bought some stuff from him. The transaction is very quick and easy, and the shipping is quite fast. He sells baseball cards, tech parts, Pokemon cards, Ethernet cables. There's an iPod up here, that is actually a really good deal right now. You can see he has sold plenty of baseball cards and one Pokemon card in the past. He's got a lot of Pokemon cards right here. This Cat 6 Ethernet cabling, I did buy one of these off of him. He will take custom sizes if you're looking for custom sized Cat 6 cable or Ethernet cable in general, and it's a pretty good price. And also all these Chromebook parts and this CPU right here. Wow, that is a really good deal right now. So go check him out. Most of his products sell within a month, so if you're watching this in the next month, he should have some more computer parts, he told me, up, and some more baseball cards and possibly some Pokemon cards. So go check him out. A link to his page will be in the description. He does accept offers on most of his items, so drop him an offer if you would like the item slightly cheaper. So go check him out.